InDesign was first introduced over 13 years ago as a layout program for the publishing industry. Now it is the largest selling layout application in the world, being used to design and produce magazines, newspapers, books, EPUBs, advertising, brochures, reports, as well as engaging interactive and animated projects for on-screen, the web, and devices such as the iPad. How can this great success be explained? The introduction of amazing breakthrough features in each new version of the application, features that have made the layout process simpler and far faster. In this video training, we will be taking you from the basics of InDesign to lots of advanced features with many tips, tricks, workarounds, and secrets along the way. I will even touch on the techniques I use for uncovering so many tips, tricks, and secrets for www.layersmagazine.com. So you'll be able to come up with your own special tips and tricks to help you supercharge your workflow with speed and efficiency. So sit back and relax and get ready to understand how you can lay out the future of design with InDesign CS6.